TIA has evolved over the years. We are now structured around four main groups. There's a technology enablement program that includes smart buildings and edge data centers, the government affairs that interfaces with the government and advocates for ICT manufacturers and suppliers, both in the US and internationally, advanced policy position on a wide range of issues, and everything impacting the ICT industry globally. We have a very big standards department, which is ANSI accredited, and it has handled over 3,600 standards and technical documents over the years. And this is driven by over 1,000 volunteers from over 20 countries. Then last but not least, the Quest Forum community that owns the TIA-942 quality management system. They're also involved in developing new standards around supply chain security, and they also are involved in sustainability assessment and benchmarking. We cannot really start a presentation without some numbers. Here are a few of them that show that the data center industry is a growing component of many of the services that we rely on every day. The overall data center capacity is growing. Okay, it has been growing for the last 10 years, and it's expected to continue growing for the next 10. The infrastructure spending is also growing, reaching $200 billion in 2021. It is estimated that there is around 7 million data centers of all sizes in the world, with more being built every day to support the estimated 75 billion connected devices by 2025. The data center industry is driven by the digitalization of the world enabled by the new communications technology. A big driver of this growth is 5G and the new generation of networks. New functionality brought by 5G are opening all kinds of new possibilities. Software-defined network function. 5G has been designed and continue being designed as a software-defined network, starting with the core and now moving into the transport and the access portions of the network. Local breakout or control and user plane separation enable the edge functionality by connecting the applications directly at the edge without having to go back to the core. This enables all kinds of new applications related to the massive IoT and the ultra-reliable low latency communications. They were not possible before. Think about advanced driver assistance systems and automated vehicle, telemedicine and assisted surgery, online gaming, smart factories, smart buildings, and all kinds of new services based on augmented and virtual reality. All of these applications are enabled by a dynamically orchestrated network slices that will divide the network into logical slices with different performance characteristics required by the different type of service. We're now starting to talk about a minimum guaranteed performance by service in the network. The data centers are the foundation on which these new services are implemented. They have to adapt to the new requirements of the networks, being deployed closer to the end users with a renewed focus on even higher reliability. This leads to a wide variety of types of data center. I've had a few examples here from big hyperscale and co-location sites to much smaller containerized version and even on-premises micro data centers. The next presenters will talk more about how the TIA-942 standard can help with the design and implementation of reliable data centers.